What is going on, you guys? Back again with another video. Today we are with the one and only.
What it do? Illis Kicks. We're both Illis Kicks.
We got Illis Kicks here. If you need some sneakers, hit up the Instagram, Illis Kicks VA.
Yup, hit me up. Got the shoes for y'all. Now we with the whips now. Whips and cars.
With the whips again.
Yeah.
On daddy duties this time. For today, we will be replacing the thermostat. Where's the new one? Right here. Shout out. Whatever brand is it?
Hey, you know,
what brand is it?
This is the best joint that was there. So they don't even sell this by itself. You gotta buy the gasket now. So I had to buy the gasket separate.
It's crazy.
Yeah, these some dickheads.
So the reason we're replacing the thermostat on the CRV today is because yesterday when he was driving home, the needle was on cold the entire way until he made it to a stoplight, where then it ran up to normal temp, correct?
Yup.
So that is a telltale sign that most likely the thermostat it got stuck open, which is allowing just coolant to flow and it's not regulating temperature. So I just got here. Ali got some work done already, but essentially coolant, we already drained the coolant, guys. So the messy part is done. We gotta remove this air box, which we'll do right now. Gone. So air box is all one unit. Just two 10 mils right here, a hose I will show you right here, and then the 10 mil that is on the actual the 10 mil that's clamped onto the throttle body. So this is that hose that goes into that hole right there. The 10 mil clamp goes onto the throttle body, and the two 10 mils that I showed you is this one and this one right here. And then this whole air box unit will pop out. So now the thermostat is located on the series, or all B series in general, is placed back here, this unit right here. So we just gotta remove this hose, the coolant temperature sensor, guys, disconnect that, and the ground that usually sits right there with the 10 mil. So disconnect those two, guys, and then now we can pull this hose off. Here we go, guys, the thermostat. Now to remove this piece, it is just two 10 mils, one right there and the other one down right there, and the whole thermostat, the thermostat comes out, and then we can put the new one in. And we also bleed it. And also bleed it. Bleeding coolant system sucks, guys. But we do have the funnel.
Dude, it's $50 for this hoe.
What is this?
My rear camera arms. It's for 02 Civic, 92 to 2000 Civic, but it's all essentially the same shit.
So you want to tell them what we're doing for this car in the upcoming episodes? A couple weeks ago, not even a couple weeks, like last week, we picked up, or Ali picked up the CRV. I went with him. Clean car. It even, for you CRV guys, has a table back here.
You gotta make an account.
So, since he's bought it, he's bought this front lip.
From a Jeep Wrangler. It's a 05, 09 Jeep Wrangler. You gotta cut it. It's like super long, but you gotta cut it down here for it to flex, and then cut it from the side right here because it like pokes out a little bit. And then you just drill it.
He got coilovers coming in this week. So this bitch about to sit on the floor. And you want to reveal the wheels, or you want to wait till we lower the car? This car is about to look icy.
Sweet. Can't wait.
So back to what we're doing. We're gonna remove those two 10 mils for you guys, and we'll presume the clip from there. Alright guys, we got the top one loose.
Got Michelle
Working on this bottom one. You see pussy dripping right now, coolant. Alright guys, last 10 mil is right here. The top housing, coolant temp sensor. We're gonna have to clean all this off with a razor. All that gunk.
Damn.
We don't want no leaks. And here it is, guys.
Yo.
There it is, guys.
That shit is terrible. Bad. What the fuck? Oh my lord. Bro, that is so bad. Interesting.
All right, guys, so Ali came with the razor, and so we got to clean all that gunk off, guys. All that white stuff, all that's dried up coolant. So this was probably leaking before, if anything. Yeah, guys, you can see the new versus the old one all gunked up compared to the new one. You see how gunked up it is there too. We got to clean all that up. So I have to continue with these, and then get back with you guys right after. So housing, as you saw in the last clip, cleaned off. We're working on the actual housing itself, we got maybe like half of the gunk off, but the razor, we're using one of these. We just finished cleaning the housing on here. The crust on this was crazy, guys. It was absolutely crazy. I went at it with the brush. Did not do any damage at all. So then I just took a flathead, followed the grooves around like this. There's about 2 lips, and then I just went around each lip like that, and then I got the crust off just like that. I just went around like that for about 5 minutes. All the crust is off. So now we're gonna be installing the thermostat, putting everything back together, and showing you guys how to bleed the coolant system. All right, guys. So thermostat is in. It literally just slides right in, and as long as it's flush, it's good. So this one's good. So it's literally slides right in, clips right in. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the housing in with the bolts.
Which bolts was it?
Continue on from there. So we got the thermostat in. We bolted in the 2 10 mils for the housing right here. Everything is tight, ready to go. 10 mil tight, ready to go. So now we're gonna be installing the hose and putting everything back together.
I'm gonna lock that hole. Put your ass in there, cuz. There you go.
All right, guys, so now that everything's back together, we will be pouring the coolant in with the funnel. Put the adapters on. So these go like this. They come with a series of different adapters, and also with these as well. So essentially, you gotta find one that fits the hole for the radiator, and then you gotta find a cap that seals it properly, just like that. And then from there, add that piece, and then the funnel goes on top, just like that. And then we go ahead and I'm gonna pour our coolant. He only bought 1 gallon. It should be fine because the whole system, I believe, only takes like 2 or 3, and we barely lost any. So maybe like half a gallon should be fine to start off. All right, guys, so coolant is filled in. I actually took a lot more than I expected. It took the whole, took about 3/4 of the jug. We want to leave at least to the fill mark. Ali's about to start the vehicle right now. All right, guys, so all right, go ahead, turn on the heat. Oh, by the way, guys, this one's gonna be another video for this CRV, but this guy couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait, buddy. Don't worry. My other friend ordered Timbo. He ordered it out.
All right, guys, so we will get an Apple CarPlay install on a CRV. We got another buddy got a CRV. So, guys, you guys wanna put this on about 3 or 4 setting on max heat. Have the AC off, and you want to leave it like that. Let the car warm up. So this whole process takes about, depending how cold or hot it is outside, maybe 10-15 minutes, just because the car does have to get to temp to kick on the fans on the radiators. Once the fans do kick on, this should get sucked down, and that should be 1 full cycle, and 1 full cycle should be enough to bleed all the air out of your cooling system. If you want to be more sure of that, you might run it for a second cycle, but that's the same process. You just got to wait for the fans to kick on. So you guys can see how all these air bubbles are coming out. All that is air that was in the coolant system from us removing the coolant lines and the thermostat. So we'll just let this guy sit, do his thing, and then we'll get back with you guys once the radiator fans turn on. All right, you guys, just due to time constraints, it's been about 10 minutes, and we got places to be. So another way to speed things up would be get in the driver's seat, foot on the gas, keep RPMs about 2,000 RPMs. I can start feeling the heat come out of the heater. So that means we're getting close, and also the gauge is about at operating temperature. By the way, this car does have a Type S steering wheel installed by this guy.
Yeah, let me know what's up with y'all, bro. I can do this for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This was like the first steering wheel I did, so don't mind that. I'm better at it. I did a whole bunch of different ones. I did 8-gen with Alcantara and leather. Had like a little red strip right here. I did one that had like carbon on it. So yeah, if y'all got any RSX 8-gen, whatever, I can just rewrap it, refurbish it pretty much.
All right, guys. Oh, all right, guys. So you see how the fans kick on? That means we have ran through a cycle, cooling cycle for the car. So now that means this car should be blood. I still see some bubbles still coming out. So what I'm probably gonna do is fill this back up, put a little bit in there. Probably let it sit for maybe another 2-3 minutes. If I don't see any more bubbles after that, then this job is done. So all right, you guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys watching this video right now. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Road to 1K. That's when the next project's coming out, or maybe I might even have it. Who knows? We're gonna keep posting for you guys as much as we can, find content that we can for you guys, whether it be just vlog related, you know, modding, car related, or even, you know, simple repairs like this. We're just here trying to spread some knowledge, bring a friendly, funny vibe to you guys, you know. So like, comment, subscribe, drop down any improvements I can make on my end, whether it be video quality, editing, or content. I am filming this video on my phone, by the way, as well, so sorry if the frame is out of range. Eric has a camera. I've just been too lazy to go get it. But yeah, guys, catch you guys on the next one.